Oh, forgiveness. Is that what you want, man? Just forget about the whole betrayal aspect of it. After all I did for your broke, washed up ass. Let me tell you something. You're dirty, you're nasty, and you're low. Get the fuck out of here.
It's like people want bring Kang it on a platter come game. Kinda fuck up though. Kang is a cool brother and them not take the drugs. But you don't know, business are business. And they make him on a bed. You see me? I'm sure damn club right now. Drive over there. So what kind of business you could have really have with me now, eh? A long time for come check me. But you go and like you don't rate me no more. Eh? What? You don't respect me? Yo, I reach us dada. Rate you and respect you and all them things there. But don't know say you name girl a Kang. But the drugs are turning a monkey. You see me? Get a grip on yourself. Cause where you walk, it's simple. Seen? Hey boy, you know what I say? Yo, hold on man. When you hear me out, this is a deal. Come to help you. But I don't like the vibe. See me? A man approach me with an offer. You wouldn't refuse. But through my rate you, I beg for another option. Which man that? What kind of option? See ya. You know say you're in hot water with some people. Cause you fuck up. And worse, you move like a junkie. That's why I'm gonna fuck with your Kang. Anyway, option 1, pay up. Option 2, give up everything. House, car, club, and things of that nature. I'm gonna left option 3 to your imagination. That's it. Short and sweet. No choice is yours. But don't take too long though. Seen? What? Come to my place, come threat me. And that here though, can't threat to me. Oh, Miley, you hurry come up. Me a origin of this blood clot. When me a kill man, you suck breast. Fuck you, you pussy. Where you come tell me? Me a mad blood clot man. Come out of my bomber clot place so me kill a blood clot. Well alright, now me know what you choose. Yo Milo, you're nothing. You're a puppy in this. You hear me? Puppy. A wet nose puppy.
Well, we've now come to the end of our show. I'm Diane Rochelle.
And I'm Peter Chang, and we hope to see you back here next week for more Entertainment Weekly. And you don't want to miss it. Ladies, we have a special surprise guest just for you. So see you then. Bye.
Good night. Mark, I'm at work. And where you calling for? Well, you should think about that before you cheat on me. Alright, no, Mark. That is none of your business. I can only tell you that I'm weighing my options and dating is in the picture. Anyway, I said enough. I gotta go. Bye. Can I see you in my office, please? You can close the door. Have a seat. So how you doing? You feeling okay? You don't look like you're pregnant, are you? No, I'm not. And why would you ask that? Well, it's good that you're not. Be ashamed to see you run that perfect little body for someone's ego. Gina, not trying to be rude, but I know you could not call me in here to discuss me being a child or not. You are my boss, and I would like to keep it work-related. My, feisty and dainty all in one package. Haha, let me stop. Well then, there is an issue lately with your persona. I watch you on the monitor and it seems you're not connecting with the audience, as if your mind is somewhere else. Well, I'm glad you brought it to my attention. I'm deeply sorry. I have been having some issues in my personal life, and obviously wasn't doing a good enough job keeping it to myself. I'm so sorry to hear that. And I would bet on my position here that the dirty word is involved. Men. Oh, been there, done them. Not impressed. Gina, if that's it, I'd like to get back to work, because I have a lot of preparation to do. Yeah, that's it. But before you go, Diane, this career you're in is like no other. It is showbiz, and we operate by a different set of rules. Lots of favors and compromises. And the sooner you learn these rules and play along with the game, watch your career hit the roof. Think about it, sweetie. You can go.
Hey, girl, how you take me for? How you blood clot take me for? I'm gonna want to see no back of tears, you know. I just want to answer some question. What name? Don't fuck with me. You stupid girl. Don't fuck with me.
Yo, Kang, son up, come up now. Man, go up and get some sleep, man.
Man, your blood clot. Rest. You see me dealing with me, girl. Yeah, lose it. I'm gonna ask you last time. Tell me where you fuck. So we can kill him. And kill her too. Bitch, tell me. I can tell you something, slut. Anything you do, me I go find out. You hear me? Anything. Anything! Get up from stepping your blood clot. Yo, keeper. Everything load.
Yeah, man.
Pull it. Don't move a blood clot muscle. Young lady, go on here. You don't want to witness this. Big man, this is why you hear me out. Saying, you don't have to do this. What if I pay you? We can't triple it. Just give it till the morning. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Put on your hand, dead boy. I don't want nothing from you. You get 10 seconds. Say a piece and go and get it over with. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuck you. What? Wait for me, baby. Wait for me. Dopey, which boy you there? Where you there? Think you can kill me? Where you there? Right, that's a pussy. Come listen it. Hey, man, fix up a thing to pay your voice some more. Yo, turn on the music record. Yo, man, you had the weed tune and you know smoke, man. Don't get me wrong, you know. I'm hot tune still. But we just want to know what kind of tip you're there, you see me? I'm here right at game, man, you see it? Just send a picture.
It feels like I'm floating. It seems like I'm coasting, yes. Woo. It feels like I'm floating. It seems like I'm
Vengeance is mine. Vengeance is mine. Milo, you must pay. You must pay.